There's an MK4 Supra here. Someone just drove it like unregistered.
No, it had 3 plates.
Yeah, trade plates, but it's like such a baller move. I love the cappuccino, it's so tiny.
This will not be an ideal car to smuggle people.
Better than the Honda Beat. I saw the Honda Beat's black.
Yeah.
One laptop black as well.
I want to get a photo.
We got the we got the Midnight Purple Skyline R34, and we have this amazing Pontiac Trans Am straight out of the Knight Rider series. So as with every car show, we have Cozy Coupe making an appearance. It's a retro car, like technically. Two of the loudest cars at today's show. Unfortunately, I was not here when these two arrived, but I can't wait to watch them leave later. This guy has a whole ass like safety car light bar on the top of his Z. And we have the Miata section. We have NB over there and all the NAs parked in front. This one has a roof box. Very nice.
You just tell me what, hey bro, you don't buy first, wait for traffic come out then buy.
We got the Rotary Boys, Yitfeng's iconic FC RX-7, and this really nice FD over there. Here's one of the cars that got everyone talking for today's show. The Mark IV Toyota Supra in black. This is not even registered. This was driving on the road here in trade plates and is parked in front of two Toyota A86s. Celicas, one in green, one in orange. Beside that is the R32 GTR. So for the past few years, this car has been like dark blue. It's been repainted white now. This is pretty cool. It's a Toyota Crown, I believe. It's giving like a Japan Mafia boss. It's more Miatas. So many Miatas. I've yet to check this out. Beautiful Honda NSX. Unregistered though. This thing is so big. This is the last section that we have yet to check out. Look at this Motor 7. It's literally a go-kart for the road. And right next to that is the Aston Martin Lagonda. Absolutely massive. Yeah, you can actually fit like a human in this booth.
I think you can fit 2 bodies.
I could fit if I tried.
I think you can fit 2 bodies.
Really? No, I think 2 is a bit much. What is that? Oh, just a certificate of
There's a badge also. You should close like in the middle.
Close in the middle.
Yeah.
Should I slam or?
Just slam lah.
Just slam?
Yeah.
Okay.
This 280ZX is in such a like scene show glass pack with the giant white door on the side. This is the public car park section where random cars are just parking, and the cars that are coming here are pretty good. Like we have E10, E9. Everyone is neat. Oh, it's the code. It's the scary code that pops. Scam. Over.
Okay. Time to buy it, right? And then put absurd rims on it.
This thing has eyelashes. Look at that. Why? It's cute though. In a very quiet corner of the public car park, we have a Forester and a bunch of like old JDMs. Look at the seats. They're like laced and stuff. Period for it. Yeah. Corvette has just started up. I think it's so loud.